Now you follow the reaction. Here first line 16 carbon containing long chain fatty acid are permitted. Here first two carbon with CoA undergo beta oxidation. Now so rest of all 14 carbon. Now this 14 carbon first two carbon undergoes beta oxidation. Now 12 carbon first two carbon undergoes beta oxidation. Now 10 carbon containing fatty acid. This 2 carbon undergoes beta oxidation. Then 8 carbon containing fatty acid. This first 2 carbon undergo beta oxidation. Now 6 carbon containing beta oxidation fatty acid 2, 4, 6. This 2 carbon undergoes beta oxidation. Now 4 carbon, the first 2 carbon undergoes beta oxidation. Now 2 carbon is cannot undergo beta oxidation, rather it combines with CoA. It forms acetyl CoA. And for each time beta 2 carbon undergoes beta oxidation and CoA added with the next rest of all CoA added with the fatty acid. Suppose here 2 carbon undergo beta oxidation, CoA added with it, added with this structure. This 2 carbon undergo beta oxidation, CoA added here. This 2 carbon undergo beta oxidation, CoA added here. This 2 carbon undergo beta oxidation, CoA added here, and formation of fatty acid or fatty acyl CoA. These 2 carbon undergo beta oxidation, CoA added with this structure, and formation of fatty acyl CoA. These 2 carbon undergo beta oxidation, CoA added with this structure, and formation of acetyl CoA. And for each time beta oxidation, we can get FADH2, NADH2, and acetyl CoA. Here you follow oxidation, hydration, oxidation, and thiolase. Here thiolase uh, activity occur. Here you follow CoA added here. NADH2 synthesis, water added, it means hydration. FADH2 synthesis, oxidation. NADH2H or NADH2 synthesis, it is oxidation. This also a reaction of beta oxidation, beta carbon and alpha carbon. In the junction between beta carbon and alpha carbon, beta oxidation occur. Fatty acyl CoA, it means fatty acid, undergo beta oxidation. FADH2 synthesis occur, it means air oxidation. And now water is added, it is called hydration. Now if NADH2 added, NADH2 synthesis occur, it means oxidation, and CoA added here, and ultimately acetyl CoA is synthesized, and this fatty acyl CoA again undergo beta oxidation and breakdown of or release of 2 carbon, and this reaction, this reaction recycling occur, and for each time fatty acyl CoA we can get acetyl CoA, we can get FADH2, NADH2, we can get, and for each time fatty acyl CoA undergo beta oxidation. Suppose fatty acyl CoA 16 carbon undergo beta oxidation. Now 14 carbon containing fatty acyl CoA. After the reaction 12 carbon. After that reaction 10 carbon. After that reaction 8 carbon. Ultimately, at last 4 carbon undergo beta oxidation, and at last 2 carbon forms acetyl CoA. That acetyl CoA uh, go to TCA cycle, ultimately produce ATP.